Yeah.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by Luvmehair, and they sent me this beautiful body wave wig, 13 by 4, 24 inches, and I'm actually living for it. Like, it's so flowy, it's giving quality. I really love this wig. But before we jump into the installation of this wig, let me just show you guys what they sent me inside the package. So obviously everybody knows the purple box by now. I'm always working with them, so they're not new to my channel at all. And what they sent me today, they sent me this little pouch, and the pouch has in some baby hair combs, and it did have it had this elastic band thingy that I did use around my head for the first time, because like I don't normally use those. I normally just go with like a regular elastic band so I could tie it tight, but I ended up using that today, which was like, okay, something new. They sent me this beautiful purple lavender bonnet. You can wear it two sides. You can wear it on both sides, the lavender side or like the dark purple. And I think that's pretty much it, and like the bag that the wig came in, and their hair care guide, and obviously this wig. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I end up getting this look, then definitely keep on watching.
Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability, and now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me. I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be, it couldn't be. I don't know what happened to them guys that said they would be. I said, see you at the top, and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, that's that maturity. And we don't keep it on us anymore, it's with security. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace, but honestly that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly that sounds like a fair trade to me.
Rolling 80 wheels and it'll save you. Got 100 gotta roll loyalty, gotta give and release. Spread your legs downtown, so I'm going out to eat. Hit the raw sounds when I rock up in your sleep. I'ma roll on them forever, let her roll on me. Split this one down the middle, wake up in harmony.
Assalaxx. Don't close your eyes to get away. Just make my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless. Yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Yeah. The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a starter kit. Plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck, this chess games, cause shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more purple rain prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting it. The pessimist, gold medalists, flush the magnums just so they not collecting my specimens down.
Assalaxx.
Baby, I'm talking crazy. It's the way
I pull up, roll the window down it. I pull up, roll the window down it. I pull up, roll the window down it. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Wait a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100 round drum, got a nigga down with it. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit. Take a nigga bitch, use a bitch, cause I ran off with your shit. I'm a real right blood, any nigga counterfeit. You don't pull up on the L, push it before you get killed. I bought a brand new drop and then I put me up some drops. Y'all say real street nigga, y'all ain't on no block. Keep your legs closed, cause all I want is talk. I pull up and y'all gon' call the cops. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds in it. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Let a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100 round drum, got a nigga down with it. I'm on this slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on this slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. 2 guns up, I don't give a fuck. I'm a big dog, little nigga, you a fuck. Pull up at your spot, walk up on it, shoot it up. Your bitch, she on the molly, yeah, I gotta boot it up. You said that you was trapping, but I heard that's a lie. Baking soda, cold water, cut the stove on, scrape the sides. You can keep skinny bitch, cause I like a fat ass and thighs. So y'all savage, your baby daddy know not to try. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds in it. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Let a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100 round drum, got a nigga down with it. I'm on this slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on this slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, 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 slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit.
Okay guys, so this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. The links to the wig will be down in the description box, so if you guys would love to purchase this wig, definitely check the description box down below. Once again, I would love to thank Luvmehair for sponsoring this video, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.